Hello and welcome to the Building Web APIs with gRPC, the complete guide course, another installment in the software architecture series. In this course, we will learn about one of the most exciting and intriguing web APIs in the industry, gRPC, which becomes more and more popular each day. But first, let's ask ourselves, why gRPC? What's so important with this web API that warrants a dedicated course for it? Well, here are the reasons for that. First, gRPC solves a real problem with REST API. Currently, REST is the most popular web API in use, and rightly so. It's extremely easy to use, platform agnostic, and enjoys a great support in the various development tools. However, it has its own problems, as we will discuss later in this course, and gRPC actually deals with these problems. Next, as we said, gRPC keeps becoming extremely popular, and there are more and more systems that are using it. Because of that, you will better be familiar with it. In addition, gRPC is not tied to a specific technology. You can implement gRPC Web API using almost any platform you would like: Java, .NET, Python, Node.js, PHP, etc. One of the strongest points with gRPC is its performance. The fact that it is based on modern protocol and uses binary serialization instead of text-based transport, as we will discuss later in this course, makes it the fastest web API in the industry right now. And lastly, gRPC is backed by Google, which does not show signs of going anywhere soon. gRPC is definitely here to stay, and no doubt we will see it adopted by more and more systems in the near future. In fact, gRPC is already being used by the leading software companies out there, and you can see here a very partial list of companies using it right now, and this list keeps growing every day. But be cautious. Using gRPC is not easy and not as straightforward as REST. There are quite a few steps you need to take in order to use gRPC effectively and efficiently, and you will better know what you are doing when using it. gRPC is complex to implement, especially when compared to REST API. There are file generations, service to develop, and more. It uses binary models as opposed to text-based messages that are easy to read and debug. It offers multiple connection methods as opposed to the classic request-response model offered by almost all other web APIs, and it has its own error handling, which does not build on the error codes of the HTTP protocol, as is the case with REST API. So the bottom line is simple. You need to know what you are doing with gRPC, and this is exactly what you are going to learn in this course. By the end of this course, you will know what is gRPC and its basics. You will understand its advantages over REST API. You will know how to work with the 4 types of connections in gRPC. You will see how to implement it in various platforms such as .NET and Node. And you will also learn about some advanced techniques not used by many. But that's not all. This course is extremely practical, and I designed it so that you will actually implement all the concepts we discuss in this course. We are going to actually design and build a real-world chat system fully based on gRPC. Every gRPC concept we will discuss will be explained and then used in the system, so that at the end of the course you will have a full-blown, fully functional gRPC-based chat system. We are going to develop the system in .NET and Node.js. But note, you don't need to be familiar with these platforms in order to take the course. I'll guide you through every step in the development process. And in fact, you don't even have to be a developer to take the course, although it will definitely help. You can use the system we will create as a template for your own systems and take inspiration from it in your future gRPC projects. And don't worry, I'll guide you through each step and explain what it does and how to implement it. So even if you know nothing about gRPC, .NET or Node.js, be confident that you can take this course and gain a real-world, extremely important knowledge from it. So, who am I? My name is Memi Lavi, a senior software architect and consultant with more than 20 years of experience as an architect. Here is a very partial list of my clients and my diverse technology stack. I'm a certified Azure solution architect and an avid speaker. Great, so let's go.